only has 3,000 miles so far. He gave it to me with like 60 miles.
Tesla truck. 0 emissions. Fully electric. Oh my God, I love it. So it gives you 500 miles to the charge, huh?
100 miles, yeah,
Oh my God. It's nice. What about for the sleeping part?
It has a frame to put a bed on the back. You can sleep in the back over here. But for us, we only do it for date for.
Oh, okay, okay. It has space, huh?
It has a whole space so you can put the bed in the back.
I love it, bro.
Yeah, it's really nice.
The way of the future, huh?
Yeah, it is for her.
Well, thank you so much.
All right, man. All good.
God bless you.